The ink runs deep, it flows from my soul as I write of love to make the broken whole. With every word I craft, challenge the night. In the dance of the pen I find my light. Together we'll rise hand in hand. In a world of unity, we'll take our stand. KޮTAKޮT, we gather as one. And in the face of the battles, our voices are gun. The power of words will break every chain. As poets and lovers, we'll rise once again. Nature whispers secrets, the trees gently sway. In the heart of the struggle, we'll find our way. From the roots of my life to the sky so wide, share my journey with the world as my guide. Feel the rhythm, hear the call, and the song of my heart will never fall. KޮTAKޮT, we gather as one. And in the face of the battles, our voices are gone. The power of words will break every chain. As poets and lovers, we'll rise once again. So join me in this symphony of grace. Together we'll weave a brighter place. So well, Billy.